beauties, the question is, what do you need to style your hair and all in this particular set? The other video that we did, that I'll be placing the link in the description, so that after this you can also watch it. In that particular video it was quite different, but in this one all you need is something to hold your hair like this, maybe a band or maybe a clip, yeah. And then the other thing you need is a comb to comb your hair. You also, it's about to rain, my goodness gracious, it's always raining anytime I want to share my knowledge with you guys, my tactics, my hacks with you guys. Anyways, those are blessings, let's just say they're blessings. And actually right now I am practicing the gratitude meditation, and one thing I am grateful for is my hair, guys. God, let me tell you guys, it has been a journey. It has been a journey. I always share with you tips on how to grow your hair. I just cut the hair the other time, and right now we are all grown. We are out there. Huh? My goodness. Well, let me tell you something else. Okay, let's go back to what we're doing. So you need the comb, you need something to hold your hair, and you need a mirror, and you need gratitude. Let me just share with you gratitude. This is, I'm in that week, but this is actually day 1 of gratitude. So my guide says that you should be grateful for every single thing. And right now I'm grateful for my hair and how beautiful I am. And how beautiful we are. The forehead gang. Okay, my mom always tells me, na mtoto wangu nikuwa mrembo. My goodness, no one can bring me down. No person can tell me otherwise. My mom already put a tick right there. And let's just dive into it. I'm excited. Let's do this. Forehead gang. Hey, what's up? Hello, it's your girlfriend. So guys, the first thing is pick your comb. Actually in the first I will not be using the hairband or the hair clip. I've just let's just do it that way. So the first thing you'll just need is to comb your hair. I don't know if you have blow dried your natural hair, or if it's your African hair. Well, just comb it, making sure that you're touching on all the areas. Well, basically my mirror is on this side, so that's why I'm looking at that side. I wish it could be all the front. So you see the manner in which I am combing the hair. I am combing it in a strategic way. Okay, let's begin. First, take all your hairs to the back. Push all your hairs to the back so that it's easier for you. Push all your hairs to the back. Then the other thing you do is now start combing the hair towards the top like this. You see? Like that. You see? Like that. There, I have a goal. We have a goal. Onto the sides like that. But here the front, let it seem as if you want the hair to come towards the front. If it's on the side, it's on the side. Like that. Then the other way, now make sure, like from the center, we are pushing that hair. Ouch. Woo! Let's say you're pushing, be careful, don't be like me. So you push the hair at the front from the center like that. If it's from this side, push it like that to the side. If it's at the back, we push it like that. Let it seem like we're dividing the hairs from the center, like from the center. Although we are not leaving any gaps at the center, but let it seem like that. Okay, so smoothen it out like that. Woo! Looking like a 10 over 10 minus nothing. You see at the front. So I know maybe your hair is not long, or it's short, or it's longer, but I'll show you how you're going to work it out. I'm not going to tell you to cut your hair, so don't run away. I'm not going to tell you to cut your hair. So I did like, after pushing it all the way that way, now place your hand right here. Goodness, how do I show it? Okay. Like this. I want us to take this hair towards one side, like this. Let it seem as if you're forming a line, like that. Okay, so let's do it. But now a little bit. You see the fur, don't do it from here, the eyebrows. You can just do it a little bit on the top, like that. You see? Make sure you're holding your hair. There's a reason why we're placing the hand here. there's a shape we are going for, and like that, slowly. And then once you're on this side, you can change the hand. Now use your hands or continue using the comb to push these hairs. We want it to come towards this other side like this. Same as if you're tucking it in. Oopsie. Like this. You see, something like that. Comb it. Then you can take it towards the back or not, behind the ears or not first. You see what I am saying? Are you seeing what I'm doing? And then this other side, now you just comb it. Come. And then let it go to it. Okay, hold it also. And now, you see the how far we have come and how beautiful we are getting. So this side, now it's time to work on this side. Just follow what I'm doing. Beauty. So you see, your henna looks like a wig on already. This one you can actually even go with it to work. So at the back, you can decide to use your clip and hold the hair and then drop it like that. You see, or just tuck it in. Or if it's going to disturb you, my goodness, I can couple. Guys, I don't know if you can see the progress of the first style. No? You just make it, no, your natural hair looks like a wig already. A wig on a budget. Ini 30K. Now I'm using anything. Our guys have that's a small price. So you can choose to hold the hair. And then tuck it in. So you hold it from a little bit below, and then you tuck in. I don't know if it's going to stay there or not. Or you just tuck it in without. I know you're impressed. Yeah, guys, I love the outcome. Oh my goodness, I always love these outcomes. So you can actually choose to leave it like that. Or now you can add in pins, decorations, and all. So many times I've been asked that. But actually, those times, most of the times, my hair doesn't have too much blow dry like right now. Yes, you can actually even just finish up with that style for today, or you still want another one. Okay. I'm not feeling like doing away with it. I'm actually going somewhere tomorrow, and I think this is how I will style my hair. It's a day out. Is it a date or a day out? You just know I'm going out. And I think I'm going to style it like this. Easy come, easy go. This is how we roll. Wow. Tell me what you think about it in the comment section. You can share us out there. Tell someone about this channel. Okay, guys, I don't feel like undoing this hairstyle, and I'm not gonna undo it. I'm not gonna do it for the next one. You'll have just to watch this video and then check out in the description. Make sure that you do subscribe so that you do not miss out on the next tutorial. Yeah, and click right here to watch more of my videos. Just bear with me. It is so good to do away with. So guys, what I have decided is that you can talk to me in the comment section. You can like this video if you appreciate what you've just done. You can share us out there, and make sure that you do subscribe so that you do not miss out on any updates. And yeah, I'm not going to undo this here. I'm not a girl. It's so good to undo. So for the next style, just make sure that you do subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so that you do not miss out on that one. And also I will be placing the link down below in the description, okay? So you can follow that link to watch more of my tutorials, and click right here. Let's meet right there. She's just a girl and she's on fire. And now let's just see. The size of my forehead was like this, and it has reduced to that extent. Nice. Aki inakaa poa, aki walai sitoi. Woo, inakaa hivi.